In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover a deleted message here on WhatsApp or deleted chats. Whether you accidentally deleted one or deleted it on purpose and just want to recover it, don't worry, I've got you covered. But before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. First thing that I recommend doing is checking to see if you have archived it instead of deleting it. If you open up WhatsApp and go to the top of your chat section, you're going to see a little archive section just like so. Look through the list. If the conversation is in there, just swipe left to pull up an option that looks like this and select on archive. If it's not there and you really did delete it, the next option is actually to restore it from a backup. Now, WhatsApp automatically saves backups to your iCloud on an iPhone or Google Drive if you are on an Android, unless you turn this setting off. Here's how you can actually do this though. Begin by deleting WhatsApp from your phone. And then after you do delete it, go ahead and open up the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on which device you're on. Go ahead and search for WhatsApp and re-download it. Once it does download though, go ahead and open it up, hit agree and continue and enter in your phone number. And you'll have an option that says restore from whatever device you're on. It's going to tell you the last time it was backed up. In my case, this was June 11th. And from here, you simply just have to go ahead and hit restore, and it'll begin restoring all of your extra chats. And if that deleted message was a part of that backup, it's going to reappear in your chats. But that really is it. It really is as simple as that. There's two main ways to actually recover deleted WhatsApp messages. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.